how to enable or turn on auto blocker on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to enable or turn on auto blocker on your Samsung Galaxy device, this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The essence of auto blocker is to help protect your Samsung phone from threats or any virus, either via USB cable or from the application you downloaded from the internet. So if you want to turn on or enable auto blocker, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung. Once open the settings app, scroll down until you get to security and privacy, and then click on that. Then once you click on security and privacy, scroll down the page, locate auto blocker, and then click on it. Then you should see auto blocker page. On the auto blocker page, locate auto blocker. Auto blocker keep your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activity. Block apps from unauthorized sources. This include APKs. So if you're trying to install APK on your Samsung Galaxy phone and auto blocker is enabled, you'll not be able to install it until you turn off auto blocker. But if you want to protect your Samsung phone from all form of threats, you need to turn on auto blocker. Now to turn on auto blocker, just toggle this on, and then you're good to go. Then if under advanced, messaging, app protection, and block software update by USB are not enabled, maybe they are just disabled like this, then go ahead and turn this on to protect suspicious threats on image or messages that contain malware in the messaging app, as well as prevent installation of system software using USB cable on your phone. Then once you're done, you can now go ahead and hit the power button. So that is basically how to turn on or enable auto blocker on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.